Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak like Ruth's Chris. To begin, choose a premium, thick-cut steak, like a ribeye or New York strip, for the best results. Let it sit at room temperature for about 30 to 60 minutes to ensure even cooking. Then, season it liberally with coarse kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper, covering every surface. The secret to that signature Ruth's Chris crust is extreme heat. Preheat your oven broiler to its highest setting for at least 30 minutes, placing a cast iron skillet inside to get it smoking hot. Once ready, carefully place your seasoned steak in the scorching pan. Sear each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, creating a beautiful, deep brown crust that locks in the juices. After achieving that incredible sear, it's time to finish your steak in the oven. Carefully move the hot skillet with the steak into the preheated oven. Continue cooking for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, or until it reaches your preferred doneness. For a juicy medium rare, target an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit using a reliable meat thermometer. The final and arguably most crucial step is resting your steak. Take it out of the oven and let it rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the internal juices to settle, resulting in a more tender and flavorful bite. Finally, serve your sizzling steak on a warm plate, topped with a generous pat of savory compound butter, just like the pros.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.